spinning, you break it. I didn't have it. I didn't do the right technique, so what did I do instead?
You stepped
I
in and
moved
hit
in.
me.
What's a good taekwondo practitioner going to do? He's not going to come from around the side though. He's going to come, let me show it from here. He's going to come, he's not going to come around here. He's going to come in tight. Okay? So if you come in tight, bring the chamber of that kick and kick me. I have to really get around to the back. Other side? Or if I don't get around to the back, you nail me with that. So no sweeping kicks, but right in.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, are you doing me or Mike?
You kick me. Boom. All right, now. I'll kick you. Again.
We're just working on ourselves.
I'm David Sleeper from Mo Sleeper Tactical. Join me as I seek to equip myself and others to fight the good fight and finish the race well through fighting skills, weapon skills, and an unrelenting dedication to truth.